How's it going, everyone? This is an exciting video that you're going to want to watch till the end. It's one of my favorite companies to get donuts from, and that is Krispy Kreme. I can't believe how oversold this company is, and it just came across my attention. I'm like, yeah, I want to get some of this Krispy Kreme stock, right? So the ticker is DNUT at the top left here. And the reason why I like this, because according to my system, when price gets close to this lower Keltner channel on a daily time frame, you can see a bounce. But more importantly, I like the weekly time frame. Look how oversold this thing is. On the weekly time frame, we pierced this lower Keltner channel and we're starting to have a move up. I alerted in the Discord if you guys are part of it. I put in the swing trade alerts. I am going to scale in some DNUT on the weekly ATR4, and I got some at 268. And that's basically when this thing came across under here. It hit 270, went a little under, totally fine. But the last time that we touched it was like right in here. You could see data praise, it touched it, and we made a 17% move up. I can easily see a really big bounce idea here. We are at an all-time low. This thing was starting out at 20 bucks. Here and there we have some spikes. I love the volume. You're looking at over 30 million volume today, or on Friday, and even before, it's had decent volume. Now, I know they have a cut on their dividends. I believe they're pausing their dividends, but I don't think this is that bad of an area. This is not your typical penny stock. You can see the analysts. We have lots of analysts on it, strong buys, holds, and all that. So it's good to see that there are analysts that are paying attention to this stock, as that is very nice to see because big buyers are going to come into this thing and it's going to swoop it up. We did just leave the EMA 5 on the daily. If we go back up there in a hurry, you are looking at a 30% gain, okay? We will touch this EMA 50. This is that reversion to the mean. You can see when price touches it, oftentimes it comes and pulls back. It pulls back, goes up, pulls back, and that's because it isn't in a downtrend. Every time frame is showing a downtrend. Weekly is downtrend because all the EMAs are above. But that does not mean that we can't do a V shape into these EMAs and make a monster return. This was just back in February of this year. We were all the way up into the $9 range. I mean, that is insane. Of last year, we're way over we went all the way up to $17. All right. So I definitely see this being a very nice stock. When you least expect it, this thing is going to do a massive V-shaped move up. I was looking at this 15-minute chart too. You can see when it hovers over this lower Keltner channel, that's often a time to really start getting in. And like I said, I got in at this 268. Not a big deal. I'm looking to scale in this thing. I'm not going to say 268 is the absolute bottom and it's going to pump up. As you can see, it went to 258. So what I look to do is, according to the Discord method, accumulate slowly. I buy once a day. I put $5,000 into this thing, and I'll put another $5,000 if it dips below and makes a new low. Usually, I like to buy towards the end of the day because what happens is when you look at the daily candles, when it goes down, it usually goes down towards the end of the day. I'm looking to buy another one. If it touches this lower Keltner channel, I'm surprised it went, this farther low. We did just have an earnings, but like I said, if you look at a lot of the analysts have much higher price targets on this thing. Obviously, you're going to have these security alerts and frauds, but no doubt about this thing's going to go. They got lowered to 360 from 475 at City. Well, the price is at 273, not too shabby, right? Got lowered, so Citigroup, it's just good to see this. This is not, like I said, you're not your typical penny. So we got downgraded to hold from buy at Truist. Even Truist is on this thing. Lots of stuff going on. But yeah, this is one of my most favorite smaller, less than $5 stocks. Krispy Kreme, love the company, and we'll see what we go from here. This is a technical analysis trade to the upside, okay? If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome. These are the kind of the rare plays you're going to get. I look for downtrend and uptrend stocks. A lot of these downtrend stocks make the biggest moves because they do the V-shaped type patterns where they're in a downtrend and they revert to the mean fast and you make monster returns. All right. But like I said, I mean, just to the EMA 5, you're looking at 30%. 10 is 40%. And the EMA 20 is 50%. And then if it goes to the 50, EMA 50 is an 83% return. I am looking for that 10 to 20% returns. And then I'm going to scale out and hold my shares at break even. So if I had this at 268 and I make 10%, you better believe I'm going to take some profit. Okay. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. Boosh. Right up in here, and you'll get access to all my memberships, my day trading, my swing trading, everything that is going to make you a successful trader. My day trading service is the best because I make money every day selling credit spreads and buying options, single options too. But my credit spread strategy is one of my most favorite strategies, as you can see right here. You might be a little confused on this. Trust me, I will tell you everything that you need to do. I have the day trading education videos here. I have the swing trading education videos. Everything that you guys need to be successful, this is where it's going to be. All right. So hope you guys like this video. Share it out to your friends. Let me know in the YouTube comments what you think about DNUT hitting an all-time low. Analyzing it right down in this area here, hitting this low counter channel. I can't help but try to get it, especially the weekly chart just screaming a buy opportunity. This is pretty oversold. Okay, so we'll see what happens from here, guys. Make sure you join the membership. It's only literally $12 a month. If you subscribe on your computer, you're going to get the best stock picks that I alert. These are high quality stocks with lots of analysts, massive oversold patterns, or massive uptrend ideas. I gave you guys TTD, and look what this thing did. From the very low here, it pumped up over 66%. Massive gain. All right. These are the kind of plays that you're going to look to get. I gave out many other plays here that are just making bank. I gave out Webull. Webull has made monster returns from the lows. As you can see, this is an uptrend type of play. We have a big move up, pull back to these EMAs, and bam, 45% from the lows. These are the type of plays you can expect. And then my credit spread strategy makes me money every day, and I put into these kind of swing trades. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. And if you want to subscribe, all you have to do is hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. Peace out, guys.